Hi guys, I am back, and we are back to that, and we are at
Rainforest Cafe.
the Rainforest Cafe, and I'm so excited. I had to choose between an aquarium restaurant or this place, but I have been to an aquarium, but I haven't been to a jungle, so I chose the jungle. And speaking of the jungle, we're sitting right next to the fish, so it was worth it. I need to, because it wasn't like we were sitting next to a jungle in the
Aquarium.
in the aquarium. But in the jungle, we're sitting next to an aquarium. This is my assistant, Jaxson. And we are gonna show you around. This is my table and it's missing. Hey, no burping. And this is, whoa, it's so cool. Look. There's the butterfly. There's the parrots. Cool. Oops. Let's see what else there is. Where's the tigers? Here, Jaxson, I need to scoot where you are real quick. Okay, buddy? Can you scoot over? I need to scoot so I can get the tigers. There are tigers. There are parrots with baby cubs. That waiter guy could move. No, I'm showing the baby cubs. Oh well, I can't see the baby cubs. And there is volcano.
Yeah, volcano.
There's the aquarium behind our chair. The elephants. There's hippos. And then, excuse me, buddy, I'm going to check on the gorillas. They were going and shaking the trees. Oh, there's a butterfly moving its wings. But the gorillas, oh gosh, it just looked at me. The gorilla just looked at me. I was so scared. The gorilla looked at me.
Did?
Yes. He's like, don't you film me.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
Ooh, and we got
You guys ready for food?
Yeah. What'd you get?
funny.
Ivy, what'd you get? Ivy.
What?
What you're getting?
What? This
Okay.
spaghetti. Whatever this is
Yeah,
called.
Okay.
I
You
want
want apple juice too?
You don't need apple juice, but you got water and stuff.
okay.
He's gonna get the sliders and the fruit.
Cheese on those or no?
Yeah, I'm sorry, yeah, cheeseburgers. Just plain.
Yeah, that doesn't come with anything else. What about for you?
I'm gonna get that half rack.
Okay, the mojo bones? Okay. French fries okay as your side?
Yeah, that's fine.
Perfect.
I spotted a shooting star.
All right, thank you.
Is that a robin? That's a flower. See if I can spot any shooting star. I just saw a shooting star. Oh, it's a sunset. Shooting star. Let me spot a shooting star. Oh, I just spotted one. That one's.
Like this.
Whoa. This is my favorite fish. Has lots of detail on him. That guy.
Okay, Ivy.
Oh, look at him. There's too much cool things. What's that noise? There's a lizard. And it's staring at me. There's also, oh, scary guy. A frog right there. It just made a noise. This is really, really, really cool. cheetahs
Hey, Ivy.
right there. Do you see his head? Okay,
People eating right there.
there's cheetahs.
Yeah. Okay, go ahead and turn it off.
Okay. Thanks guys for watching. Please smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, and please subscribe. We also got lizards for ices. They were toy. Yeah, there's a toy at the bottom. We got lizard cup with a toy at the bottom, and ices with blue raspberry. That was my choice. Oh, it has a cup stopper holder thing. Next, we're going to Dave & Buster's. Then the movies. I'm just
Tell
kidding,
them that thing we did.
not the movies. Oh yeah, in Dave & Buster's, we just went in there and looked. Oh no, Dory has a boo-hoo.
Squirrel. Here, I'll take you.
So we.
Guys, listen. Hear that frog?
That was a frog. Oh yeah, I hear him. Okay, so we found like 2 bags with millions of good stuff in there. But we found a picture and it was of 2 people. We decided to look for the people. It had really good stuff in it though. But we did the right thing. We looked for the people and we found the people and they were like, thank you very much. And we got spit all over the thing. Come on.
You want to do some water?
Oh, sorry. Okay, yeah. And thanks, guys, for watching. Smash subscribe button, smash the like button, and please subscribe. Bye. Thanks, guys, for watching. See you guys. Bye. You should definitely come here. What is this place called?
Rainforest Cafe.
Rainforest Cafe. Oh, he just blinked. That was creepy. But thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Ivy.
Oh, thunderstorm. What? Whoa, did you see that lightning? Whoa. I'm gonna check out the gorillas. How's the gorillas doing?
Thunderstorm.
Oh wait, look at the gorillas. Going crazy.
Have fun, bud. This is fun. It's all good.
Oh, he's shaking the tree.
Ivy, look around.
I know, this is so...
Okay, get off the camera. I'll let you get off the camera.
Okay, bye.